Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Take a deep breath and relax. You're in the right place. Today, we're going to practice simple office English. English you can really use at work. Nothing difficult, nothing fancy, just clear, natural English that helps you feel confident. Even if you're new to office life, this will help you. So, sit comfortably, listen carefully, and speak along with me. Let's start. All right, let me explain today's topic. Office English for beginners. Imagine this. It's your first day at the office. You walk in. You see new people. You feel a little nervous. That's normal. You don't need big words. You need simple, polite sentences. For example, when you meet someone, you can say, "Good morning. I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you." Simple, right? You know, a smile and clear words make a big difference. Now, let's talk about small office conversations. These are short talks you have every day. At the coffee machine, in the lift, or before a meeting. Someone may ask you, "How's work going?" You don't need a long answer. You can say, "It's going well, thank you." Or, "It's a bit busy today." That sounds natural. Let me explain one more thing. In offices, people often use polite questions, like, "Can you help me?" or "Could you check this, please?" These are friendly and respectful. Now imagine your manager talks to you. They may say, "Do you have a minute?" That means they want to talk now. You can reply, "Yes, sure," or "Just a minute, please." Both are okay. If you don't understand something, don't stay quiet. You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Could you please explain it?" This is very normal. Everyone asks this. Let's talk about meetings. Meetings can feel scary, but they don't have to be. At the start of a meeting, you can say, "Good morning, everyone." If you want to share an idea, you can say, "I have a small idea," or "I'd like to add something." Simple words work best. And if you agree with someone, you can say, "Yes, I agree," or "That sounds good." If you don't agree, be polite. Say, "I see your point, but I think this sounds calm and professional." You know, emails and messages are also part of office English, but spoken English is more about tone. Be calm. Be clear. For example, if you make a mistake, don't panic. You can say, "Sorry about that. I'll fix it." This shows responsibility. If someone helps you, always say, "Thank you. I appreciate it." People like working with polite speakers. Now, let's imagine a daily situation. Your colleague asks, "Can you send me the file?" You can say, "Sure, I'll send it now." Or, "I'll send it by afternoon." Clear time. Clear answer. If you are busy, you can say, "I'm a bit busy right now. Can I do it later?" That's honest and respectful. All right, now let's move to practice. This is very important. Listen and repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Again, good morning. Nice to meet you. Next one. Can you help me with this, please? Again, can you help me with this, please? Next. Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? Again. Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? Next. I'll finish this by today. Again. I'll finish this by today. Next. Thank you for your help. Again. Thank you for your help. Last one. I'll get back to you soon. Again. I'll get back to you soon. Great job. You're doing really well. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the better you get. Try to use 1 or 2 sentences from today at your workplace. Even 1 sentence is progress. Before we end, let me motivate you. You don't need perfect English to succeed at work. You need clear and confident English. Speak slowly, use simple words, and believe in yourself. Every day you practice, you improve. So keep going. I'm proud of you. See you tomorrow with another useful English lesson. Keep speaking. Keep smiling.